Hi guys and welcome to MotorBeam. Whenever we buy a new car, we usually tend to buy some accessories too, to spruce up the car according to our tastes. But how many people buy accessories to actually protect their car? Very few. Even then, most people buy things like windshield films and paint protection films from different sources. In today's video, we will show you a product that offers all-in-one protection right from PPF to sun films to windshield protector. I am talking about program Madico One, which offers a host of car protection items which are quite useful in protecting your vehicle from scratches and dirt marks, and it also keeps your vehicle looking like new. Madico Inc. is a US-based company, a pioneer in film technologies for more than 118 years. Products of Madico are being sold in over 90 countries across the globe. Madico's verticals in films include automotive films, architectural films, device protection films, safety and security films, and specialty films. Madico's brand partner Quantron Tech is differentiated consumer product company into multiple verticals, bringing novel patented products to India, especially to automotive companies. All the Madico products are REACH compliant, which don't use any sort of hazardous, banned chemicals or substances of very high concerns. So it is environmentally very safe and also for human use. Used in space program applications, they are also sponsors for racing sports in the Middle East and the US for Clearplex. Madico has patents for all the products and has a rich tradition of R&D in bringing out new products. Now this program Madico is offered in 3 packages so that you can choose the one which meets your requirements and budget. The first package is Madico One, which covers your entire car. It includes Clearplex for the front windscreen protection, solar control film for all the windows and both the windshields by Wincos or Black Pearl. You can protect your entire car with the Protekt PPF by Madico. Now if you don't want to go the whole hog, you can opt for the Madico lead package, which basically covers all leading edges of the car. This includes Clearplex for the front windshield, Protekt PPF for the front bumper, bonnet, fenders, roof and front doors, and solar control films for all the windows and both windshields. The third package is the Madico Fend, which covers all the critical exposed areas. This includes Clearplex for the front windshield, PPF for front and rear bumpers, fenders and under door handles, and solar control film for the front and rear windshields. I personally feel that these packages make a lot of sense because our roads are extremely congested and scratches and nicks can happen anytime. Even if you don't drive on congested roads always, it's wise to opt for the Madico Fend package at least. This package covers all the vital components of the car which tend to get damaged or worn out over time. All of us slide our fingers behind the door handles and you must have noticed a lot of scratches there. We have got Arula Nandan Sundaram from Madico India, who's going to make us understand what are the offerings which you have from Madico.
Madico is a company which is a US based company that's there for more than 118 years, and they pioneer in the film technologies, and the primary business was to supply films to NASA. Even today they are supplying it to them. So last 20 years, last 2 decades, they started getting into the other films as well, automotive films, architectural films, all those films. Especially this Madico One program is towards the automotive basically. Automotive, we cover entire product for the requirement of the automotive. Like for example, windshield is one product which is not available among the competition. So it protects the windshield from the stone chipping and all other debris which comes and hits your windshield basically. So this is the a film which is applied externally on the windshield, and there is no competition for it, no other competition which has this product. It's just unique product of Madico.
The overall offering from Madico, how are you different from your competitors?
Like I told you, this one product is a unique product which competition doesn't have, and this is the first film, world's first film which is applied externally on the windshield. All other film which is for a car, which is all applied inside the car, this is the one film which is applied externally on the car basically. So it protects you. It is impact resistant film. It doesn't mean that when you apply the film it becomes unbreakable. It's not like that. But it's an impact resistant film. So that is the one unique which this product has. Apart from that, we also have other product which is useful for protecting the car, like PPF. You have entire car body.
So how is your PPF different from the other PPF available from competitors?
There are lot many PPF which is available in the market. Madico's PPF is called Protekt PPF. So a PPF normally should not be too thin or too thick. Basically, our PPF has about 175 microns, which exactly suits the car. And it is also a self-healing material, and it comes with 7 years warranty as well.
Can you help us understand the availability and costing of Madico products in India?
Yeah, Madico product is available across India. In the key states of India, like south, it is available completely across all 5 states, and it also available in west and north is also available. There are some parts which is not available, which we will be covering in years time, so that will be available. The product, this particular Madico 1 program, the cost is kept very aggressively for the customer. Like for example, any customer who goes for entire car PPF or entire car sun film and the windshield protection film, so it will cost him anywhere about 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakh rupees. But what we have done is, since all the products are going to be under one brand, that is Madico, so we have kept the pricing very aggressively. It will be approximately around 2 lakh rupees for a customer itself. So which means when a customer goes for a Madico 1 program completely with Madico products, to protect his car, so the costing will be around 2 lakh rupees, which is lesser by around 50 to 75,000 rupees for a customer. So it's the biggest advantage for a customer when he goes for a one product, that is Madico 1 product.
Thanks a lot. So if you guys are looking to use program Madico 1, you can click the link in the description to get more details. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give the thumbs up, that's a like button, and also subscribe to the MotorBeam channel.